Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm back with another tutorial video of how to know if someone blocked you on Discord. So if you don't know how to do that, watch the video till the end. So to get started, go ahead and tap on the Discord application. So once you are inside the Discord application, you will be appeared with this type of interface on your mobile screen. So now in order to see if someone blocked you on Discord, all you have to go on direct messages, and in there you can see find or start a conversation, and you can search the username of the person who was already friend with you on Discord or who is not a friend on Discord but you are not able to see that person. First, suppose I'm typing this username Nisa. So once I typed it, you can see I'm not able to find that username. So that means that person blocked me on Discord. So this is how we can find someone has blocked us on Discord or not. I hope this video is helpful for you. If so, then please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in another video. Goodbye till then.